Pika pika, nursery rhymes and kid song. Growl, pika pika, nursery rhymes and kid song. In a coral reef where the water shine lived a little blue fish, oh so fine. Lila was her name, so cute and small, but she dreamed of being the biggest of all. She watched a shark swim, so bold and grand. Big and fierce was her wish, oh so planned. With seaweed and coral she fashioned a fin, pretending to be strong, aware to begin. She swam with the growl, her teeth all aglow, but the friends she once had began to forego. "Why are you scary?" they whispered in fright. Lila felt lonely in her sharkish delight. Then Stella the starfish came into view. "Dear little fish, you don't need to pursue. For being a shark, you're losing your charm. Just be yourself, you're already a gem." "But I want to be grand like the sharks in the sea, to be powerful and fierce, so can't you see?" "Little one," Stella said with a grin, "true strength comes from being true from within." So Lila thought hard, her heart full of doubt. Could she be loved for who she's about? With a nod and a smile she let her fake teeth fall, and swam back to her friends, feeling small but tall. "Look at me now," she said with a cheer. "I'm Lila the fish, and I'm happy right here." Her friends gathered round with hugs all around. Laughter and joy in the reef did abound. A lesson learned deep in the coral, so bright. To love who you are is a beautiful sight. Lila found joy in the friends by her side. Being herself was her ultimate pride. So remember, dear friends, as you swim and you play, you're perfect as you are, come what may. Like Lila the fish, embrace your own grace. True beauty and strength come from your own place. In some of the coral reef where the water shine lived a little blue fish, oh so fine. Lila was her name, so cute and small, but she dreamed of being the biggest of all.